In this tutorial, you'll learn how to bulk import questions from a spreadsheet using the Upload Excel workflow. Review the results in Preview and save them into your question bank. Start in Add Questions, then open the Upload Excel tab. If you need help preparing your spreadsheet, you can use the optional resources here, including a blank template and other support materials. When you're ready, go to Upload Excel File and click Select File to upload your spreadsheet. Once the file is uploaded, the system begins processing it. You'll see the workflow move through file reading, transformation, media processing, and validation. When processing is complete, the questions appear in Preview. This is where Quick Check gives you a high-level summary of what came in, and Validation Details shows anything that needs attention before you continue. At this stage, scroll through the imported questions and review them carefully. If needed, you can edit question content directly in Preview, remove a question, revert to the original version, or fix media such as images, audio, video, or document links. The goal here is simple. Make sure the imported set is clean, complete, and ready to move forward. Once the review is complete, go to Where do these questions go? For this workflow, we'll choose Save to Question Bank. Then select whether you want to add the questions to an existing collection or create a new one. Complete the Save step, and the platform will store the uploaded questions in your question bank. This gives you a fast way to bring spreadsheet-based questions into the platform. Validate them, make final corrections, and save them in an organized collection. That matters because the question bank is not just a storage step. It becomes your reusable source library, where questions can be mixed and matched into new collections, organized for future use, and prepared for export to Canvas and other supported workflows. Over time, that makes the question bank your single source of truth for managing questions across creation, review, and delivery, putting you in control of how your questions are organized, reused, and shared.